Something unexpected happened during the Arirang era. Army suddenly noticed a completely different side of Kim Tae-hyung. Not the soft, ideal look, not the usual clean visuals, but a dark, mature version of V with a beard and mustache. And when clips from the Arirang song 2.0 started spreading online, fans had the same reaction. Wait, is that really Taehyung? The look that started the conversation, Taehyung has always known for his smooth and youthful visuals. For years, fans have mostly seen him with a clean shaven face which fits the classic K-pop ideal image. But recently, a new images and scenes started circulating online showing something different. A subtle beard, a defined mustache, and a much more mature aura. It instantly catch fans' attention. Because when Taeyong changes his look even slightly, the internet notices the Arirang 2.0 movement. But the movement that really intensified the conversation came from Arirang album visuals, especially in the song 2.0. In these scenes, Taeyong appears with a fuller beard and mustache, giving him a completely different presence. Instead of the soft, ideal vibe and styling creates a dark, cinematic character. With slick back hair, formal suits, and intense expression, the look feels almost like it belongs in a crime thriller film. It's bold, it's dramatic, and it's something fans rarely see from him. Why fans are so surprised? Part of the reason this look is going viral is because facial hair is uncommon in K-pop concepts. Most ideal maintain a polished, youthful appearance. So when Taeyong shows a beard and mustache in an official concept, it immediately stands out. Instead of the usual images, fans suddenly saw a more mature and mysterious version of V. And naturally, ARMY had a lot to say about it. ARMY's viral reaction. Once the 2.0 visual started spreading across social media, fans' reactions exploded. Some fans said this Taeyong looks like the main character of a dark movie. Others joked, who gave Taeyong permission to look this powerful? Many ARMY also said the beard made him look more intense and charismatic, almost like a completely new era for his visuals. And that's exactly why the clips and photos quickly started trending. Taeyong's visual evolution. Over the years, Taeyong has experimented with many styles, different hair colors, different fashion concepts, different stage persona, but the Arirang 2.0 beard look feels like a new chapter in his visual evolution. It shows a side of him that feels more mature, more dramatic, and more cinematic, and fans are clearly fascinated by it. Well, at the end of the day, one thing is clear. Whether he is clean shaven or rocking a beard, Kim Tae-hyung always finds a way to capture everyone's attention. And if the Arirang 2.0 look is already creating this much buzz, ARMY can only imagine what his next transformation will be. So what do you think? Do you like Tae-hyung's beard and mustache look from 2.0, or do you prefer his classic clean shaven style? Tell me know in the comment section. Thank you.